an arcade and we have a game. What's something important about games? Oh yeah, you can play it with your friends. What about if the game looks cool? Yeah, what if the game, it just like looks really bright and colorful and makes you want to play it?
And there's sparkles.
Yeah, there can be sparkles, there can be pretty colors. Can everybody raise their hand if they like painting?
Is that a painting?
Oh my goodness.
These pieces of wood, and we're gonna stick them together and then stick them to your board. Take a look at our board.
So it has a screw.
See, you can move it around.
We're gonna have to use the driver bit.
We need the driver bit, we need the drill bit. And of course, we need to use the drill.
And not. Okay. No, for that, okay.
Look at this.
You're strong. All right.
Nice. Yeah, you're gonna have to look. I'll show you, okay?
Okay, I'll go.
Okay. You ready? Other way back.
There we go. You're going to control with the vacuum and your phone, okay? Make sure you good job.
So take a look at the board. We can draw some stuff to add to our board. We can also make a high score sign.
Straight ahead. Look up.
Mine's ball.
Yeah.
I'm going through the claws. Also, I could have gone this way and have to get through the wings, which are harder. But if you do, you get to the finish. Get up! Everybody, nobody's safe. Oh, get in there. Get him out, get in there too. All I have to do is dodge, which is easy because I'm super fast.
Go! Hopping, we're hopping. Keep going. Watch. Get it! Oh my gosh. Nice walking, baby.
Put the ball in the cups. It's kind of like basketball, but a little different. And I used for this hot glue, touch cleaners, and a plastic cup. Same for this one. And this, I used like these little plastic, I forgot what they're called, but these plastic things. And I used hot glue to stick them on. And, well, that's all I want to say. Bye. if this stops, like right now it landed on sing for 10 seconds. It's worth 1 NORY block.
Say hi. You guys are gonna go to each different station, okay? Go find some friends.
You can try again. You get 2 more tries. I did it on my second try.
So our campers had a blast this week. Some of them did woodworking for the first time where they got to use the drills, even the 3s and 4s. They got to use our awesome NORY technology for the first time, and they got to share their creativity with each other. So we hope to see all of our campers back next week to do our next awesome project.